How to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will see how we can put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the epicscam.com and make sure that you're logged in with the Nintendo Switch account. If not, click on the sign in button at the top right corner, and once you are on the sign in page, from there you have to log in using the Nintendo Switch. So once you're logged in, now navigate to your profile name at the top right corner, click on it, and from here you have to go to the account. So once you're under your account page, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, click on linked account. So from here, under the accounts, there is an option to link your PS5. Click on link. Here, make sure to read this information. Once done, click on connect account and then you will be directed to the sign in page. There you have to enter your login credentials, and once you're done with that, your account will be connected to the PlayStation network. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.